So this is the latest flagship from LG, the LG G4. What you're seeing here is the genuine leather brown version of the LG G4. And this is actually real leather. Right. The process what we are doing is actually called the vegetable tanning. What it does is that it's a 200-year-old technique where you actually use the most premium techniques to tan the leather, and it takes about 3 months to actually from a raw piece of leather to this leather. At the same time, what you're seeing here is actually a removable back cover where you could actually change the battery as well as insert a memory card. Next, I would like to talk to you is the display. A 5.5-inch Quad HD IPS quantum display. This is actually the first quantum display in the world. What it means to the normal consumers is that our display is of the most vivid, the most colorful display that one can have on their smartphones. Let me just show you. As you can see, all photos are in very clear mode, and the red is actually very vivid in contrast to the brown and the black. Right, and it is only also running on the latest Android version, Lollipop 5.0. At the same time, let me just walk you through the internal specs as well. It's running on a 3 GB RAM with a 32 GB internal memory with a micro SD slot of up to 2 TB. Next, I would like to show you something interesting. It's the camera. The front camera is on an 8 megapixels camera, which means that you can take selfies like how you take a photo with a back camera. The back camera is on a 16 megapixels OIS Plus camera with a color spectrum sensor. What a color spectrum sensor means is that this sensor will actually detect object for the photographer, so that when the photographs are actually taken, it's more vivid, and the color production is as accurate to the object as possible. So I'll walk you through into our camera mode as well. So this is the simple mode, right? So for the beginner photographers or the casual photographers, what you do is just press and snap, press anywhere and snap, press anywhere and snap. For ones who would like a little spice to their life, you could choose the auto mode where you could change little things like panorama, dual, or auto with flash even. But if you are a prosumer or you take your photography a tad serious, what we can offer to you is our manual mode, where you could change anything from white balance to ISO to shutter speed.